Prepared to begin building your enchantment, the Gathering deck online? Buying cards on MTGO is easy. Here's how to do it in fearsome steps. 1. Set up your account. Make an MTGO account on the off chance that you haven't as of now. Once you're in, you'll have get to the commercial center to purchase and exchange cards. 2. Purchase occasion tickets or play focuses. To form buys, you would like occasion tickets, ET, or play focuses, PP. Purchase them with genuine cash or win them by playing in occasions and competitions. 3. Browse the commercial center. Head to the MTGO commercial center to look for particular cards or investigate sets. You'll be able to channel by irregularity, cost, or color to discover precisely what you would like. 4. Make your buy. Once you've found your cards, tap to purchase. You'll pay utilizing your ET or PP, and the cards will be included to your collection immediately. 5. Check your collection. Your cards will appear up in your MTGO stock. Survey your collection to guarantee everything is input and begin building your deck. 6. Exchange and construct. Presently that you've got your cards, exchange with others and construct your culminate deck for play. It's time to induce imaginative. 7. Keep it secure. Make beyond any doubt your account is secure by employing a solid watchword and empowering two-factor verification, 2FA. 8. Screen the showcase. Track costs and patterns on your cards to remain ahead. A few cards may rise in esteem, so remain overhauled.